Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the ear speaker is not working in your device, Samsung Galaxy A53 and A53 5G. So how you can solve this problem? Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If the ear speaker or the calling speaker of your device is not working, you can solve this problem by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the ear speaker problem in your device Samsung Galaxy A53 and Galaxy A53 5G. Let's watch the video.